Before the setting, please have the following preparation: computer and device on the same network, computer account login with password, login administrator account to set up. Go to the upper left corner, click File, New Folder. Name the new folder to scan. Back to left corner and click Apple Menu System Settings. In General, click Sharing. In Content and Media, turn on the file sharing, then click Information icon. Click Add icon in Shared Folders. Select the Scan folder on desktop, then click Open. Select the Scan folder. In the Users, set everyone right to read and write. Click Options. At Windows File Sharing, turn on the account in use. Enter the password of the account, then click OK. Click Done. Click Done again. Before set up the printer address book, you have to confirm the computer host name and login username. On the desktop upper right corner, click Spotlight Search icon. Enter Terminal to search and open Terminal app. After the terminal window show on screen, enter the Who Am I command, then press Return. The output is login username. Enter the ipconfig command, then press Return. The output is computer IP address, which for host name. Please write down the above two information for setup, the printer address book. If the computer changed the network, it may cause to change IP address. You can consider to use fixed IP setup. For more details, please contact your IT administrator. To edit the printer address book, you can log in Command Center and set up on web browser. Printer IP address is required when login. For details, please refer to the video content of the info card. Print the status page to search printer IP address. Open the web browser, enter the printer IP, then press Return. If you log in and show the message, "This connection, not private," click Show Details. Click Visit this website, then click Visit Website. In the Command Center, click Login. Enter admin on username and enter printer series number on password by default, otherwise enter admin. Attention to the input of case sensitive, then click Login. After you log in, click Address Book on the left side. Choose Machine Address Book. Click Add. Enter the name you want to show on the device address book. In the SMB field, enter the computer's IP address in the host name you write down before. Enter scan in the path. Enter the computer login username and login password you write down before. Then click Submit. Click Close to finish and your computer have registered.